What's going on, guys? Out here with a truck. I don't even know what this little place is. They're all of a sudden some kind of security or something out here, so we're gonna make this pretty quick. But I'm sure you can tell by the title, making your truck look taller for free. So a lot of people recommended this, taking off the front little whatever it's called, I don't even know. But I took it off. Y'all have to let me know what you think. I'll put a little clip of something that I have from before I took it off, so y'all have a little comparison. To be honest, I'm not crazy about it. I waited this long to take off the other piece because I actually liked it, and honestly I still think I do like it. I like it better with that piece on. Y'all could let me know though, maybe it'll grow on me. It had the little piece that hung down just right here in front of the tire, and I thought it gave it a little more of a, I don't know, I just kind of liked it better. And then secondly, we come back here, I took the mud flaps that are for whatever reason in front of the back tire. I'm sure it's for deflecting wind around the tire or something, but I took it off, and I definitely like it a lot better without it. It's not got it all covered up, and I think it looks really good without that. So let's go over here. Hopefully the wind's not blowing too badly. So the truck is looking mighty fine, if I do say so myself. The back flaps off. Just lets you see more of the tire. I think it looks really good. Like I said, the front thing's gone. But yeah, this is gonna be just a quick video showing that. Y'all comment down below, let me know if you like it more, you like it with it on there. Like I said, I honestly think I like it better with it, the factory piece on there, but y'all let me know. I might leave it off, might put it back on. I'm definitely leaving the little side ones off the rear, so y'all let me know what you think. I'll see y'all in the next one.